check it. Down in the park with my white lightning, I'm rapping mad style and I look like I've been reading Burberry. Cause I've been to see Dave and he sold me some ganja, some piss for a rave. Now I'm buzzing off my tits and I'm gonna take some more and smack my bitch. Cause she's ugly, what you on about on that you dick? Out mate.
Tanks and trucks. It was summer on the island of Sonar, and lots more visitors from the mainland came to see the sights. Due to this, the human controller put more craft trains on the timetables. The mines were becoming a much more lucrative business as of late, with lots of countries all over the world wanting to order some of the highest quality ballast from the mines that were on Sonar, including the mainland. And the agricultural business was booming, with trains being the vital mode of transport for the business. Because of this, the human controller decided to combat it by ordering a ordered locomotive, being an 060 shunter from America. This, he announced, is Casey. He will be our new shunting locomotive for the time being. I hope you make him feel welcome here. Casey surveyed the sheds and he saw two engines, BRIO, the shunting tank engine, and an unnamed diesel shunter. He started in a very stereotypical accent. "Hello, Larry," he said. "I'm Casey." The diesel was very much in awe, but BRIO, well, let's just say he had his doubts. "Alright guys," he said, "I best be going off now. I need some paperwork to do." And the human controller walked off. "So," said BRIO, "shall we shunt?" "Yes, quite," said Casey in a slight voice, and both went off to the shunting yards. Soon BRIO arrived, and shortly after came Casey. "So what's my first task?" he said. I'll make you shunt some passenger cars to get started. I must be off now to get them. Please wait for a little bit." And with that, he decided to puff off to get the cars. Casey saw the two passenger cars, both looking very familiar, albeit a little different. This will be easy, he thought. So he slowly went up, coupled to the cars, and started shunting the cars. But little did he know, brakes were applied. He struggled and struggled to push the cars, using all his force, but he just couldn't. He backed off, and a little bit more he backed off, and then the car derailed. "Bother," said Casey. "Look what that pesky British punk did to me." And the car was very much derailed. Said BRIO in a very familiar voice. "Why did you do that?" he said. BRIO thought it was funny. "It's just a joke, get over it. And he probably will soon." And he went off laughing. Casey thought, "Yes, I will," he thought. Soon he decided to go off and shunt some of the most vilest cars he could find. The heaviest boxcars, the festive gondolas, it's not Christmas yet, and even the most Pennsylvanian tankers ever. Soon he shunted not one. He didn't shunt even two, but rather, he shunted 3 wagons total. He thought this would have been a very funny prank. Soon he was idling in the turntables when he saw a weird, unexpected visitor came off from the controller. "There's been a misorder," he said. "BRIO's been out of service." "But why?" "Well, he broke down while pulling the loco, so we need another engine to take his train." The one I shunted, sir?" Casey asked wonderfully. "Yes, that would be you," said the foreman. Casey shivered at the thought of taking the train. But what happened next, I won't say, because I might spoil the next story.